Well, it's New Year's Day, and when we have blizzards, the wind is so strong that you have some places, where you got snowbanks that are several feet high. And because of the ice, this person never could get their car in straight and just left it. Which I don't blame them. And then there's other places like it's, blown dry almost. And then when it came in this L shape in the building here, I had that car there, the whole front end is almost buried. And they've been out with the snow blower doing the sidewalks. Notice here's our mound is already that high, and it's only January 1st. Snowy time. Well, the wind just died down. You can see some buildings way across the way. There. It's New Year's Day. New Year's. Oh, there you are. Happy New Year from Fargo. Bye.